Hi everyone, welcome to Module 11. We are on Chapter 24, the 1950s. This is a fascinating chapter that covers a lot of ground from, foreign policy. We see the continuation of containment and how it applies in foreign policy, but also containment at home and how the war on communism is infiltrating the American suburbs and influencing really the nuclear family. So we're going to be looking at a lot of changes, though, as well during the 1950s. They're not always just the cookie-cutter, Leave It to Beaver kind of era that sometimes they get to be portrayed, that this time period is portrayed as. We see the emergence of women in the work field in increasing numbers. We see the launching of the civil rights movement with the Montgomery bus boycott and the Brown v. Board of Education decision handed down by the Warren Court. So a lot of really exciting stuff going on in this chapter. Be sure to watch the Biography of America video on the 50s. This is really good. They make sort of an argument for Elvis being somewhat of a kind of a motivator for the civil rights movement, and I find it fascinating. So definitely pay attention to that when you watch it. Your discussion this week is describing, you're to describe how Bill Levitt and the GI Bill provided the opportunity for many Americans to buy the American dream. So what was the GI Bill? Who was Bill Levitt, and how did that make the American dream more accessible for many people? But also think about who is excluded in this, who does not get to participate in this kind of emerging middle-class suburban dream. You have an inquisitive assignment, a chapter review, and that's it. Next week you can expect a writing assignment. We're going to be doing something different besides the inquisitive. But until then, I hope you have a good week, and I will talk to you soon.